So in this video, we'll do the unboxing of Asus Phoenix GeForce RTX 3060. It has 12 gig of RAM and dual ball bearing. I don't know what that means. So let's open the box. Or let's see what's on the back. As you can see, the information on the back. I'm not going to read everything. I'm going to put that box here for a few minutes or a few seconds, and then you can pause the video and check. So let's open the box. And let's see what's inside. Let's move this to the side. And here's the graphics card. Let's open the packaging. Let's see. So I have never used a graphics card before. So I mean, I have used it, but I have never used this size of graphics card before. So let's see what's at the back. So here's the HDMI, and then it has 3 display ports, and it's a big fan. That's at the back of the card. And let's see what else is in the box. Some manuals, the setup manual. I don't know what this is. This is probably a card overclocking. So the warranty card and a thank you note for buying the card. So let's see. So here's the card. I'm going to put this into a PC I'm building, which is Ryzen 5900X. So I'll test it out and see what is the performance of this CPU. I'm not a hardware guy, so but we'll see how does it perform. The PC is going to have a 64 gigs of RAM, and it's like I said, it's a Ryzen 5900X. So thanks for watching, and I'll try to post the results of testing from this GPU. I'm probably going to connect a 36-inch ultra-wide monitor to it on the display port, 1440p, and it can go up to 144 Hertz. So this card, I think, supports, as you can see at the back of the box, it says it can support, somewhere here supports 4K at 120 Hertz and 8K at 60 Hertz, and it's HDR compliant as well. So yeah, I'll try to post the results once the PC is set up, and we'll see how this card performs. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.